How to fix Windows 11 lagging and slow problem. Hello everyone, and let's get started with this quick fix. So to start up with, right click on the start button and go to settings. Once that is done, go to privacy and security. First of all, click on general and make sure you turn off all of this option. Once that is done, you can again click on privacy and security. Now click on speech and turn off online speech recognition. Similarly, again click privacy and security. And this time you have to work with permissions. First of all, go to camera and turn off the access to the camera locations or access if you are not using it. This can also help to fix the issue of slow and lagging. You can do the same for the microphone as well. In the same manner, you can turn off the access for the contacts as well. In addition, you can again go to various such other options such as call history, automatic file downloads, documents, download folders, and turn off the access for the unnecessary ones. This should probably work for the lagging as well as the slow problem. Now press Windows plus R and type in systemdm.cpl and hit the OK button. Once that is done, you will open System Properties. Go to Advanced option and under Performance, click on Settings. Now you can choose for Adjust for best performance. This should also help in solving the issue of lagging as well as slow problem. Once this is all done, you can cross it. To move on with the next method, open Task Manager. Once it is open, go for the Startup apps. Make sure to end task for all of such applications that is not required during the startup. For that, you just have to right click on the application and click on Disable or End Task. So this was some of the methods to solve the issue for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.